Hi everyone, this is Raymond. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'd like to talk about one of the best ways to promote your Redbubble designs, your Redbubble products professionally on Pinterest. Most of you don't know about it. That is using carousel bin. Carousel bin. So what's the meaning of carousel bin? Carousel bin is a bin that contains different pages where you can promote different products or more than one product at the same time in the same bin. Therefore, a customer can switch between these pages to right to the left. So using carousel bin gives you a bigger area to promote a lot of products at the same time. And there are some benefits by using carousel bin to promote your Redbubble designs, your Redbubble products professionally on Pinterest. Number one, attract different people. Because basically on social media, including Pinterest, you present your items and your products to different people with different tastes. So you can use carousel bin to promote different products, different designs, or even different colors of the same products. And to be more clear in that, I will give an example. You can find a customer who could like your design on a t-shirt, not in a mask. And someone else could like your shower curtain, not a tapestry, and so on and so forth. So by using carousel bin, attract more people, more traffic, thus get more sales. Number two, increase the engagement rate and the retention time. And as I said before, a customer can switch between pages right to the left. That gives him more time to take the action to visit your shop and to see your products. Number three, you can consider carousel bin as a hook. When customers see different products in your carousel bin, he could expect you will find more in your shop and your collection and your design. So it gives him motivation to visit your shop and to see more of your designs and your products. Number four, using carousel bin is healthy for your Pinterest algorithms, because on Pinterest you have to make a variation between bin styles. You have to make a bin image, photo collage, carousel bin, video pin, idea pin, and so on and so forth. Therefore, Pinterest algorithms push your pins higher on search results and Pinterest feeds. So you have to use carousel bin from now on. So how to create this carousel bin? Simply, let's go together to Pinterest, okay, and create a regular bin, okay. And therefore, you can click over that, drag and drop. And here you can drag all these images, all these items, all these products you want to promote in your carousel bin, okay. So you can highlight them, select all of them, and just open. And here you have two options: create a photo collage or create a carousel bin. So create the second option, create a carousel bin, okay, and create bin. As you see, you'll find here different pages of your products. As you see, this is the first page, the third page, this is the second one, and this is the first page of your carousel bin, as you see. And you will find some editing tools like this one, this bin. Click over that. And the first one, you can crop this image to be more specific in a specific portion of this model of your design, okay. Okay, here you can add a logo of your company, your website, or the logo of your Pinterest account, okay. As you see here, this my logo. And of course you will find here some editing tool to this logo, like its size, bigger, smaller, as you see, its margins, and the position. You can make it here in the corner, up here, corner here, and so on and so forth, okay. Okay, and of course you can delete it, as you see. Perfect. And here in this third option, here you can add a text. You can consider it as a call to action, or you can add a title or a headline of this carousel or this specific page or this item, okay, as you see. And of course you'll find here some editing tools of this text, like you can change its font from here, okay, size, color of this text, alignment, margins, make a background of it, and the position, and so on and so forth, okay. Okay, and when you are done, just you can update these changes quickly and simply. And here you can reorder these pages. So we can put this one as the first page, this one as the third page, and so on and so forth. Organize your images. Okay, done. And here the first page here, second page, and the third page to promote different designs, different products, different colors of the same product. As I said before, here on social media and Pinterest, you can talk to different people with different tastes. Okay, and now you can add here the title of your pin, a keyword or the main keyword of your design or your field or your niche. Like here you'll find stay strong, and here this one for motivational quotes. So you can write here motivational quote t-shirts, t-shirt for motivation, and something like that. Okay, so you can type here motivational quote t-shirts. Okay, for example, to be quick. Okay, and here in the description of your pin or your carousel pin, I have talked about in a previous video how to generate a product description of your pin simply and quickly by using some artificial intelligence tools, including this amazing website called copy.ai. Okay, here you can generate a lot of creative copies, including product description. So after making a free account here on copy.ai, okay, here you can search for a template that is so-called product description. As you see, just you can add here any title, create your project, and then you can add a product like t-shirt, for example. Describe your product like some. Okay, here you can choose a tone of your product description like friendly, luxury, relaxed, professional, adventurous, persuasive, empathetic. So we can select this one, relaxed or friendly. Okay, and just to create a copy. Just a few seconds. As you see, keep it simple and show off your fitness motivation with a comfortable t-shirt and so on and so forth. Amazing. So we can copy this one quickly and back to your Pinterest or your carousel pin and just Ctrl V, paste it. Okay, as you see, perfect. We have a great selection or a collection of these motivational t-shirts. Okay, and of course you can add here some hashtags and the keywords, and I have talked about in a previous video how to get specific and target keywords for your audience for any field, for any niche. You will find this video below in the first comment. Anyway, add here all text, so we can copy our title here, copy and paste here as all text. And as for destination link, here you have to insert here the link of a landing page a customer can find your products you want to promote in your carousel bin. And for that, I recommend you an amazing website that is so called FYI.to. Here in this amazing landing page, you can insert your products you are promoting on your carousel bin. And the best thing here on this amazing website, all you have to do is just insert the links of your Redbubble products, and it grabs automatically the thumbnail of your product and their descriptions as well. Like this one, as you see, some affiliate products and some print-on-demand products, thumbnail of your products as you see, and an amazing description that motivates the customer as a call to action as you see. Or this one, a collection of emojis t-shirts. Okay, just paste these links here and it grabs these thumbnails and the description. All of these products if you want to promote them on your carousel bin. So how to create this landing page or this smart list to promote your products you are promoting already on your carousel bin? Simply, after making a free account here on FYI.to, just you can paste your links here. So for example, we can go to Redbubble, okay, and we can grab the link of this product, kids masks, copy link, back to our smart list or a landing page, okay, and you will find the first product showed up, okay. So we can pick another one like this t-shirt, active t-shirt, copy link, different product of the same design, okay, back to our smart list, paste here. As you see, the thumbnail of your product and its description, perfect. And then we can create new smart list. Of course, you can upload a thumbnail of this smart list or this landing page, and the title, for example, description, confirm, that's it. Open, and here you'll find your new landing page to promote your different products of your carousel bin, as you see. Copy, and then back to Pinterest bin, and paste your link here. That's it. So here, if any customer see this carousel bin and he want to purchase your product, just he clicks over this link and he will be taken to your landing page in FYI.2 website, okay. That's it. And to the end, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can leave in the comment section. See you in the next video.